Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, both devices on the same Wi-Fi and sufficient battery. Next, enable the phone's casting or screen mirror option in display or connections. This exposes the device. On the laptop, open the receiver app or Windows settings projecting to this PC, then set Discovery to Available. Once done, tap the phone's detected laptop name. You're initiating a secure local stream. This reduces latency and avoids cloud routing, which matters for video and games. After selecting your laptop on the phone, you must handle pairing and permissions. This step grants the mirror connection. You'll see a PIN or confirmation prompt on one device, accept it on the other. Make sure to allow only necessary permissions because microphone or file access are optional and increase privacy risk. Once paired, choose the appropriate mode. High quality for video streaming or low latency for interactive apps. This tuning ensures smooth playback. Otherwise, you may get stutter or delayed input. Complete the session by stabilizing the connection. Close heavy background apps, and if needed, restart the phone or laptop to clear transient issues. If the mirror won't start, verify firewall or antivirus settings aren't blocking the casting service, and make sure both devices remain on the same network band. If wireless remains unreliable, use USB tethering or a dedicated third-party app that supports wired capture. Troubleshooting tip: if you see blank screen, restart both devices and reinitiate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.